We're going to make first the dough. I add the water, almost a glass of water. I add some olive oil, half.
So very exact measurements.
Yes.
This looks like vinegar.
Yeah.
Dough always needs acid. That looks like it's fire water.
Yes.
Raki.
And salt.
Okay.
I like to put first all the liquid things, and then I use as much flour I want.
Yeah, you can't. It's easier to add dry than wet. You need. I'll pour. So that's 6, right?
Yes.
And this is just all-purpose flour.
Yes.
7. So is this a soft pastry?
It's soft, it's like a baby.
Ah, okay. And how do you know when it's ready?
When it's not sticky, yes.
Yeah, so you need it like a Mykoniatis yaya. Did you learn this recipe from your mom?
For my mom. So it's ready.
Oh, can I feel?
Yes.
It is soft like a baby.
Yes. I like very much.
Okay, I'm curious to see how you make the filling.
This is tyrovolia. It's
Tyrovolia,
soft
okay.
cheese.
Okay.
And the dill.
And dill.
And dill.
Okay. And I have to cut the onions
Yes,
next.
2 onions.
Do you cook the onions? Or
No,
are they going raw?
No, fresh. Salt and pepper. It's enough. And 1 egg.
And an egg. And this is a Mykonian
Yes,
chicken's egg.
my mom's.
I can tell by the color of the yolk. There are 7,000 people who live on Mykonos year-round and 1 million people in the summer. But I love the fact that there are still parts of the island that are pretty rural.
It's ready. Do you want to try?
Ooh, it's so fresh. It's very springy. It rolls out very easily.
It's very soft. I add some olive oil.
Lots of olive oil.
I think it's okay.
Ah, I see. So we're pushing it up against the side so that there's some depth to put the filling
Yes.
in. Okay.
So I add the cheese. Can you keep it for me?
Sure.
And I take the spoon and I push it like that.
Okay, so this is fine. It's all spread out how it has to be.
I turn it like that.
Ah, okay. And so we're covering the filling.
And I
So
push
this
it.
is a very different technique.
This is my technique.
So when you were growing up in Mykonos, how often would your mom make this?
Almost every day.
Oh, every day?
It's ready.
So we just put this on top?
That's it.
That's it?
So with a knife, we make
You make the pieces,
yes,
basically?
the pieces.
Okay. And how long does this take to bake?
1 hour and maybe 10 minutes more.
Ah.
It depends of the oven. And with a fork, I make
Okay.
holes to take air and bake it better. And
Add olive
on
oil,
top.
of course. Looks beautiful.
Do you want to use this?
The wood burning.
The wood.
I would love to bake this in a wood burning oven.
Okay.
Wow, Irini, this looks great.
Thank you.
It looks beautiful and like a lot of love went into this. I have to try one of these.
Okay, enjoy it. My kremmydopita. And
Yes,
I take
your
this
kremmydopita.
Small pie. Do you like it?
I love it. It's very refreshing. It has a nice herbal, like almost grassy, beautiful flavor from the dill and the green onion, which has a little bit of a bite to it. So it's not a very rich tyropita like I'm used to. This is much lighter. The cheese is also quite light.
You can feel all the ingredients.
Yeah, you can taste all the ingredients. The dough is very bready, so it's almost like a cheese bread. It's nice. It's very rustic. Είναι πολύ νόστιμη.
Thank you. Enjoy it.